What up, guys? Lately it's been pouring cats and dogs, so the circumstances are perfect. They go a little catfishing. It's a little new, but
Never
catch some.
Never really tried it before. You can tell that the creek's pretty flooded. We've got some stink bait on there. Hopefully we can catch some.
Hunter got his first one.
Yeah. I got one. Right through the lip.
Nice catch.
That is a good catch.
Mosquitoes are bad.
Yeah. Dang, you about paralyzed yourself.
Here he
goes.
goes.
Cook them later, or should we?
Nah, that one's not big enough.
Yeah. Hey, first one though on the board. Hank, you want to smell your first catfish? Look at him, he looks so much different. Now I got my glove wet. Fletcher got one. Oh yeah. You got one. Out of nowhere, that one's definitely bigger. Want me to go get your gloves?
Yes.
Good job, Fletcher. So we got lucky. Well, not really. Kind of bad tying on my part, but the hook came out somehow.
My first one.
Not a bad one.
Feels good.
Let me get a picture. There he goes. You can hear him making some noise. There he goes.
Hunter just caught a massive one.
A blue cat.
I mean, of course they get bigger, but blue cat.
Definitely the biggest one we've caught. He didn't even pull. I was reeling it in to see if I had any more bait. So I got pretty dang
It's a
lucky.
good fish. Best catfish of the day.
The best, probably.
You gonna need help getting the hook out?
I think first blue cat probably in my life. Hanky's gonna smell his first, try to eat it. Missy, you like it?
It's a good fish right there.
Yep, I got pretty lucky.
Where did you catch him at?
Right over there, right in the middle. You want a kissy? You're not getting one. Making some noise on this.
They make that clacking noise.
Trying to escape. Pretty dang good one. Maybe not even close to probably a big blue cat, but definitely a big one for us. And there he goes.
Hunter just got one.
Caught it on some chicken liver from Brookshire's. This guy's pretty juicy, honestly. Biggest one. Was yours bigger than this?
It is a little smaller, I think. That one's pretty good size.
This one's got some juiciness on him. Hanky, you like that juiciness?
Good fish.
Mm-hmm.
I haven't really been biting lately.
No. Been fishing for the past couple of days, or past week.
We just switched to this chicken liver, so the hook was pretty lodged in there. We finally got it out.
It's not a bad one. I don't want to
Yeah, it's pretty big. Biggest one we've caught so far.
easily. Hanky too? Oh, eat one. There he goes. Now my glove.
See you when we catch another one. Hopefully we can.
It's a big fish. Oh yeah. He's turning. No, it's a regular catfish. Yeah. Gotta tighten your drag. Should I go get the net?
Yeah.
Okay, I'll be. I'll go out there. So, about a week back, my fishing pole got drug in. It could have been by a stick, but there's some line that I'm gonna try to pull up here in a minute on that thing. But Fletcher got a pretty big catfish. I might be the better bass fisher, but Fletcher's got the catfish racking up. Well, a second after I said that, he got it. Oh, you're wrapped on around this. I think it's definitely some old line.
Been out of the water for quite some time.
Not that long.
But he's probably the fattest one. Maybe
Here,
not.
get a picture. Let's get a picture first. Back into the water he goes.
He's definitely the fattest one we've had.
Sunk back into the darkness. Now we're gonna try to get this line out, see if it's my pole.
Cut this fish well, I thought it was bigger than what it is, but
It's not a normal channel cat. You can tell by their fins. If it's split, it's a channel cat.
hook shouldn't be too hard to get out.
It should probably be a don't fall into the water.
I had a pretty small hook, so you're gonna catch this.
There, you got it.
There.
Not a bad one, honestly. I mean, our first catfish.
Catfishing's pretty fun.
Yeah, you just
It took him a while to get it because the bait I was using was pretty big.
Had he been biting for a while?
It took me about
You could probably just get that.
took me about 30 seconds.
You take your bait.
He did. Yeah, he's definitely different from the rest.
You can tell by their head too. There he goes. Hopefully we catch another one before the day's up.
Poor guy, right through his eyeball.
Did he just sneeze?
No, I don't think so. I think his eyes are hurt.
Well, I shouldn't have bit it. Okay, well, he's going back in the water. Took us a minute to get it back out. There it goes. Hopefully we catch another one. The creek's flowing pretty fast after this big rain. So, yeah. Hunter's got one on. Is he moving all around?
No. I just feel him tugging. My line's gonna break. He's about 80-pound bass. I'm about 80-pound catfish.
He's a bass.
8-pound catfish. Hopefully I can just wear him down.
Is he fighting that hard? Oh yeah, you got one. Second there, I thought you were on a... Get him closer. The heck? You got a turtle. I ain't getting near that thing.
Thing's like huge.
Dang, that thing's way bigger. Hey! Oh, he snapped you off. I don't know if y'all guys could tell, but that one's probably the size of a beach ball.
My arms?
Oh yeah, Fletcher all muscled up. Hank was trying to get down there and
My
sniff
arms
it.
are tired.
He was fighting. Dang. How long? I thought he was a stick for a while.
He wasn't really moving. I thought it was a stick and it just kept like tugging back and forth. And every time I let go, it just like take off with my line.
Yeah. Now Fletcher's got to put another treble hook on. Hopefully before it rains. It's getting pretty dark.
I think I backed up too much.
Yeah, maybe.
Big fighter. It's gonna be a big one.
Holy moly, that's the biggest one. Get the net. Oh, you don't have it. You don't have it. It's okay. I'm going in. Ah, my head.
Oh, man. How big is he?
Pretty big.
Regular catfish or a blue cat? Oh, yeah, that's a blue cat.
That's the biggest one yet, don't you think?
I think so. Hook doesn't look like it's in there very much.
Nope, that's one. It's hooked around this branch. Ow, it's sticking.
Did he?
Yeah, he got me.
Good?
Oh.
Oh, he's gone. I don't have to worry about the hook.
Yeah, he definitely got me.
Eee.
I felt good. I just caught one probably 10 minutes in.
Another blue cat.
Yep. Not near as big as the last one. But, oh, where's my...
Been a little sprinkling outside.
Lay that fin down. Dang. Never felt them fight this much. Get their fin. Oh, there it is. Yeah, it just started sprinkling.
We've been using the same bait as yesterday.
It stinks really bad because we left it down here. Not a bad one. Making some noise. It's probably about to start raining even though it's sunny. Not a bad one. Wow. Hey, what are you doing?
Hank's taking a little swim.
Not bad. He's gone.
Hunter's catching them left and right. Is he fighting good?
What?
Is he fighting good? Oh, that one looks
Don't
good.
end up snapping my line if you keep your line. He's hooked pretty good. Quit it. My pole is sticky. Poor Fletcher's been.
Been down here. I haven't had a chance to go fishing, but that's all right. When I do, I catch big turtles.
Fletcher's got the...
Definitely the best turtle catching person in this family. They're really liking this stink bait. The river's flowing really good. I don't know if you can tell, but it's streaming. We've been getting so much rain.
Drop them in the mud. Try to clean them off real quick. Making some noise now. Not a bad one. Caught on some stink bait. Fletcher will show you that before. I'll let him go.
This is what we've been using.
It's called Danny's Catfish Punch Bait. It's blood. Looks like that. Don't really know where we got it at.
Pretty stinky.
Yeah.
We'll see you next time we catch one.
Thank you guys for watching today. Hope y'all enjoyed the new type of content. Like and subscribe to help grow this channel. And hopefully it won't be too long before we post another video. Thank y'all.